this is Rob. Welcome to my life movie. Holy crap, I can barely see the screen. But I'm out here in the cold. Had the day off. It's Friday. So I decided I would take a little bit of a day trip, kind of a day trip, to Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. It is a balmy 32 degrees by the lake. It's colder and it's crazy, but just do a quick look around and show some interesting things and stuff like that. See how this camera works outside. So that, all that is Lake Geneva. Lake Geneva. The camera's a little crooked. So we'll be going over to that building there along the way. Right there in front of me. I can barely see. Sorry guys. That's the library for Lake Geneva. That's the downtown for Lake Geneva. I'm trying to get the screen so I can get back here. Yeah, so far for $100 the camera's not bad. We'll go down here and closer to the lake, and there's actually people out on the lake. Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. Any of you that are not familiar with Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, it is the tourist mecca of Walworth County. And as you can see behind me, somehow, God, it's really hard to see that screen. The lake, the piers. That's all the piers that they pick up when the winter time comes. They take it out. That's the beach, which I'm not sure what they're doing at the beach. People come out here, walk their dogs, and do stuff like what I'm doing, and ice fish, which is what most of them are doing. A lot of money to live up in those places. Mostly mansions. Anyway, I thought I was going to be here alone. It's a Friday morning at 11:26, but apparently everybody else decided they were going to come here too. Well, not everybody, but quite a few people. Oh, they got some, I don't know if you see way over there, but there's water squirting up. And the ice over there is blue. Oh, we'll check that out. So, check this out and see what this is. Haven't been, the camera keeps on tilting. Haven't been out here in a long time, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's focused. I can't see the screen. could tell you some of the history of it. I know very little about it. It's mostly because it's a tourist town, and I don't want to be out here when it's summertime. That's when all the Flatlanders, which is Illinois people, come out here and stay and think they own the place. It's not that I have anything against Flatlanders, I'm one myself. But since I lived in Wisconsin, God, I understand what they've been saying. Go up here. Benches to sit down. Love memory of Don Smith's. I'll try to do some vlogging down here when it's warmer if I get a chance to head out this way. I don't normally get a chance to head out this way. We'll check. On this blue ice. See why it's blue? It looks like the camera is tilted. Just ever so slightly. So this is the public library. It's very old. I'm not sure how old. I've been there for a while. Once again, the beach. Beach used to go all the way down. Looks like they're, wow, I haven't been there in a while. Construction going on. Here's the library. Back part of the library. So I'm actually walking distance from downtown. Deck to the beach. Dropped off. Yeah, they do. Don't want to step in that. So, the Riviera Beach is blocked off. Not sure what's going on. So this is another part of downtown. There's the blue ice. I don't know if it's coming up on the camera or not, but that ice is blue. Oh, that's the ice castle. That's why. Doesn't look too much like a castle anymore. That's the ice castle. Not the best looking anymore. Apparently, that castle behind me, you're able to sleeping and walking, and I might be wrong on the sleeping part, but you were able to get into it and walk around, and I'm not sure everything else because I've never been in it. Look at that tree. Yeah, it's cool. Oh yeah. In February they have a thing called ice sculptures. What is this? Huh. Oh yeah, in February they have this thing called ice sculptures that you can do. The camera just won't stay straight on a tripod. And we have people from all over the place, even different countries, that will come and do ice sculpting. So there's the entrance to the castle right there. Hi. There's the entrance. So this is Riviera. Right there is a fountain. They close it up in wintertime, I guess. But these used to all be ice sculptures. Not anymore. Here's the ice castle. Someone's in here doing something. See, this is the ice sculptures. People from Alaska. And that's what the ice sculptures look like. So that's what all these things here are all over. This is their area, Ice castle employees only. This has shops and stuff in it. Bricks have names and stuff on them. The Riviera. Hi.
Hi.
Here's the docks. Can't get on the docks. How's it going? Docks, which I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be on or not. Okay, that's it for now. I'm going to end this. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe. And I need to get more practice at vlogging. So, Y'all take care. Bye.